Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this?
Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. I am her, Joyce Michelle. So we have a new Get Ready With Me featuring this $4.99 ball cap that I got from where? Ross for less. Girl, I am in love with this ball cap. So I tried to center my look around the ball cap. I still beat the face. I still did that. But I did want to talk to y'all about the look. And I wanted to talk to you all about some things that I tried differently. First of all, I tried the NYX Professional Makeup, the Face Glue Gripping Primer. Let's talk about this primer, shall we? I can't give it a yes or a no. One thing I will say, and I used it with, where's the foundation? I used it with the Maybelline 30-Hour Foundation. I had never felt this way when I used this foundation with any other primer, but it made my foundation feel powdery, not in a bad way. It made the foundation lay down and it felt satiny. It made the foundation feel satiny. So I do think I like it. I think I like it. I need to use it a couple of more times, but I did want to introduce that I did put this into my makeup routine, but we do need to see it and test it out a couple of more times. The next thing I tried out is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Twist and Light. And I used in the video, they sent this from Sephora. So I used the light clear, and I probably should have used this for more deeper skin tones. And I used the pink powder, and I like it, but it was stark when I put it on, and I was like, am I going to be able to tone this down? But when I tell you it gives you that pink bling effect, it was almost pink iridescent. So I'm gonna read a little bit about it. It says Radiant Finishing Loose Powder, the ideal dose of radiance and a twist. That's exactly. When I tell you, I just said the word bling. So when I tell you, yes, it does give you radiance. It says 24-hour radiance and blur. Diffuses light for naturally luminous effect. I do believe. Ultra fine texture. It was very ultra fine. Innovative twist packaging. So I think I'm gonna have to order this in a full size or a mini if they have it. But I do have to go back in and use for the deeper color. I don't know, y'all. But I don't know. I'm gonna have, it says the perfect combination of 3 shades co-created with our pros to unify, correct, and revive the complexion. I'm gonna have to look up a little bit more about this, but just me using the bright pink in this 3 section, it kind of scared me, but I was still drawn to it. And I can tell the places where I put it here, and here, I got highlight there too, but y'all will see it in the video. Let me know what y'all think. Again, we need y'all to comment so y'all can let me know what y'all think. Okay? But this is the beat. and it's featuring this glam hat that I got from Ross. And I did try a couple of new products. So I just want to let y'all know, talk to y'all before the rest of the video, because y'all know the rest of it is just going to be with music. Let me know what you feel about this outfit. Now, let me tell you something. The shirt is too big. So the first group of pictures you're going to see, I just have it tucked in, or I just have it regularly hanging. I had to tighten it. I put a hair tie on the back, twisted it, and tucked it in the back so that it can give my body some shape, because it just wasn't shapely. But I do love the shirt, and I thought this was black. Y'all, this is dark blue. This is dark blue. Now, I did bring out my Steve Madden silver shoes. I had a silver purse with it. Y'all might not be feeling it, but I like it. Let me know if you like it. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, turn your post notifications to all. Y'all know I have the Amazon storefront now, and I also have partnered with LTK, Like to Know It. So those links will be down in the description box. And if you want to know the colors and the products that I use, just ask and I'll let y'all know. But I think she cute with the silver. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone. And don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive it, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body, too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Fool me once, fool me twice. I ain't coming, don't wait.